Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2017 Toyota RAV4. It's not as straightforward as you might think. I'll show you why. So from any screen, if you click the telephone button, which is the telephone up here, click on that and it says, sorry, you have no Bluetooth phone connected, would you like to connect one now? Well, you would think you want to delete one, so you'd click no, but if you click no, well, I'll click no, it just takes you back. So back in, sorry, you have no Bluetooth phone connected, would you like to connect one now? Yes. Well, I don't, but it shows that it shows then all the phones that are or have been or are able to connect. So click on Barry's iPhone, which is the one I want to delete, and there you go, delete pairing, connect for phone, connect for music, connect for internet, or connect all. But I want to delete the pairing. Do you want to delete pairing for Barry's iPhone 11? Yes. So that's it. That's how you delete it. As I say, it's not how my mind would work, but obviously Toyota know better.